I know this one alone was 35 hours in just the printing time for this little building. It's the size of the print. And it is a detail too, because that also adds to the printers slowing down and speeding up type stuff. That just takes time the more detail you get. Anyway, this is the one that I designed for that guy who asked me to make it because he fell in love with that building. Other than the fact that I can start selling merchandise and start advertising things that we have in our store and Amazon and things like that,